My name is Lincoln Winimipida. I'm the CEO of Meat Company Ltd. Meat came into the meat industry because we wanted to solve the problem of how meat is handled in society. Zebila, for instance, most of our butchers in those days used to slaughter their animals and dress them with old vehicle ties. They would use it to dress the carcass. And that is not wholesome enough for human consumption. So we came into the market to change the paradigm shift. We wanted to introduce people to hygienic meats, and we started in 2014, and business has been so impressive. The waste from the abattoir, which includes the fecal matter, the intestinal parts, the blood and stuff, those days we used to bury them on the ground and sometimes leave them on the bare surfaces. And even it happens as of now in the other abattoirs. So we saw that this was an opportunity for us to convert that to produce maggots. And it goes through a biological process to produce the maggots. And the maggots in turn serve as feed for the poultry industry.
I am an expert in maggot farming, and I realized that it was a very big opportunity converting our waste that we generate and many other waste that abattoirs and meat shops generate in the district and the region, converting it to live feed, that is maggot, which contains more than 65% protein.
Ahead of GCIC in 2016, the latter part of 2016, when we actually started, what we did was that we went into a lot of competitions, and we also joined a lot of organizations that are related to the meat industry. And it was through that platform that we were introduced to GCIC, because GCIC came into the Upper East on a road show, and that was how we were introduced to GCIC, and we applied. We wouldn't have gotten this far without GCIC. Throughout the 6-week incubation period, most of my team members had their capacities built. And in fact, it was through GCIC that we came up with the idea of using our waste products to produce maggots as poultry feed for our farmers, who in turn produce the best for us. We see the network growing day in, day out through GCIC's intervention.
GCIC is the Green Business Incubator to help you move your sustainable business to the next level. Our incubator currently works with 32 businesses, with over 30% being women-led. Our goal is to incubate 100 businesses by June 2020. Our 2017 results indicate that 13,000 households have access to our entrepreneurs' products, 30 new jobs have been created, and over $500,000 generated in cumulative revenue. For more information, visit www.ghanacic.org.
I would recommend businesses that are into the green space, businesses that are supporting greening the environment, providing useful products to society. I do recommend such businesses to GCIC.
GCIC, nurturing your green business.